starting the interview now. Um, Sir, our viewers would like to know more about you. Kindly, could you say a few words describing your journey so far as a plant scientist?
Uh, I would like to also put down my journey because and as I say, my friend Jagdish Kapuganti from NIPGR, we didn't come from any metro, we didn't come from any big towns. We both hail from a very small village in Andhra Pradesh. I hail from Bubli, which is almost insignificant, a small village. Similarly, Jagdish hailed from my side neighborhood, Salur, and we almost traversed 10 to 12 kilometers for our studies, almost till fifth or sixth class. Literally, a Telugu person, we were just why I wanted to put that as a village education. Even Rajiv from a very small school
Mm.
uh, does not stop you from achieving his ambitions if you are focused. I started from there. I did have a chance to join into medical streams or veterinary, but I prefer taking agriculture because my uncle, father's elder brother, Tauji, was a director of horticulture, and this inspired me. And that time itself, I was focused that I would like to take research as my career. Briefly, for 2 years, I had a stint as crop executive and rose to the position of deputy crop manager in VST Agro Tech in Hyderabad, which was a
Mm.
multinational tobacco company. But I was looking at breeding paprikas and gherkins. Then, since my better half, Dr. Tara Satyavati, who is also a project coordinator for Pearl Millet program, is more a research oriented girl,
Mm.
and I
Mm.
didn't want to curb her scientific, what you call as vision. So I also joined back into PhD at IRI.
Mm.
Then since I got ARS uh, before I could complete after 2 years of my PhD, I
Mm.
again took up my job as a plant breeder and germplasm curator at Indian Institute of Soybean Research, Indore. And luckily, I could do in service thanks to Indian Council of Agricultural Research uh, under the guidance of Dr. S.K. Rao, the present Vice Chancellor of Gwalior University, and under a sandwich program with Dr. Rajesh Mishra, Dr. Jenoria with IRRI, I worked on new plant type of rice
Okay.
for where for the first time we have identified the genes that govern the flag lip width, the culm thickness, and I have a good amount of publications in that. So after that, I joined back into my soybean, and later I came to IRI. Uh, I became a principal scientist here itself, and of course, the next amount of research is presented to you.
That was nice, sir. Sir, my next question is that how can we translate our knowledge of plant science into food security?
This is a very good question. I'm a follower of Swami Vivekananda. So I always say that it is unbecoming of one person to act as another person. You need to act in a team. So
Right.
similarly, it is unbecoming of a breeder to become a biotechnologist, of a biotechnologist to become a physiologist, and a physiologist to become an entomologist. You need to have a very clear focus. That's what I said in the starting. You need to
Mm.
have a very clear focus of what your target trait is. Once you have a focus, you need to develop a good team.
Right.
Once you have a good team, you need to develop what you call as clear cut protocols and alternative
Mm. Exactly.
protocols. I have just presented genomic assisted breeding as a tool. There are other tools too. I'm not saying this is the only and this is the best tool. There are other tools too. For example, if you look at soybean, we want to improve the protein content. So you needn't jump to the genomic tools. A narrow soybean leaf, the narrower it is, the smaller the seed size. The
Mm.
smaller the seed size, the higher the protein. So that itself is a seedling tool. So what you need to do is whatever objective you have in mind, you should have the clear cut available research that has been done, make a gap research and use them.
Right.
That's what I say. No means every tool appears very fancy and no wind will favor you.
Okay, sir, my next question is that according to you, which sectors of plant science research and agriculture will prosper in the near future?
This is an excellent question. It depends on what you are interested in. Basically, because agricultural sector does not include research alone. If you are asking for research, it is different. See, when you are looking at as such, then if you need to look, because you asked a broad question. For example, for private companies, still it is the application part. Seed, right? Seed
Yes, sir.
production, pathological and entomological products, these gain a lot in private companies,
Right.
which are looking at applied product databases.
Yes, definitely.
Right?
Yes.
Informatics is a very big tool. Convergence is coming in a big way. So bioinformatics, because a huge amount of data is being generated, huge, very huge. Just a transcriptome, we were having such a large, just from simple transcriptome, that I was taking help from this biogene Dr. Abhishek Srivastava from Mumbai. So it is a huge amount of tool that is coming up, and that will be integrating in a large way. The third is, of course, plant breeding is there to say, but the epigenetics as well as CRISPR-Cas, in case of basic research, are going to play a major role in the future line.
Okay. Sir, my final question is that, sir, you have so many collaborations worldwide. Sir, could you give some advice or tips for early career scientists on how to initiate and maintain successful collaborations, particularly international collaborations?
I think your bioengine team is one of the best example of how close friends make a very practical and most useful collaborations. I was talking with Shuvo, and I know that you are all acquaintances at some stage and you have started. So the
Yes,
best
sir.
collaborations are initiated in your colleges and universities, right?
Yes, sir.
When you are initiating and when you attend these seminars or symposias, you tend to identify. Now, Government of India as well as international CGR partners have excellent what you call as funding facilities, whether it is Netaji Subhash Fellowship or the earlier career facilities, fellowships that is being given both by DBT, TST and ICAR. So these are one where you can get very good early funding facilities, and particularly more so for if you are from the what you call as the feminine gender, because government, yeah, it's important that you bring equity, so you are able to really
That's
get
right.
them, because always women are good analytical thinkers, where men are good at mechanical thinking. So we need to get better gender this thing, and already you have seen even the director of ICRISAT latest is madam. So it is
Yes.
very, very important that we understand that you need to tap into facilities. You need to look into DRDO gives, inter-university consortium gives. So once you have debt, it is very easy. See, no one would come to you if you just put theories. You need to work upon.
Exactly.
Initially, I said you need to focus. You can't put your finger in 10 things and get everything. You become jack. So it is important that you focus on your line of work. You identify which are these best labs, where it is, and then you start getting trained. They help you. These days you have
Yes. Yeah.
many facilities for training also, and then you make your collaborations then.
Thank you, sir. It was our privilege to have you with us today.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for the wonderful presentation. We have received many positive feedbacks on your talk from our many viewers, and we hope to see you again